Hi everybody, welcome to BI Land. Let's see how to add leading zeros. Here I have my table. Let's go to edit query. I have a column called ISO number. They are either 2 digits or 3 digits. What I want is to have them in 5 characters, having zeros at the beginning. For example, for this one, I want 3 zeros 12, and for this one, I want 3 zeros 100. Okay. Let's go to Advanced Editor. I'm going to add a step here. To add a step, comma, I'm going to call it leading zeros equal to table because I'm going to add a column. Add column. I want to add this column into the table that we have here, the previous step. The new column name, as it is shown here, I'm going to call it ISO modified. I want to add for each zeros at the beginning. For doing that, I have text pad start. With pad starts, we can put at the beginning of the string, and then it's going to want me the column that we want to do this. The column that I'm going to add is ISO number, but because it is numeric, I need to first convert it to the text, right? I'm just going to use number to text. That's good. Parentheses, and my column name, I think I have it here. I'm going to take it ISO numeric. I'm going to put it here. So this function is converting my column to a text, and then inside pad start has other arguments, how many characters I want. I want 5 characters, and I want to put zeros at the beginning, so I need to indicate it here. Basically, we are good. I'm going to take this step name from here and put it here. This will be our result table. So hit done, and then I will have my new column here where I see zeros at the beginning of each number, right? Okay, you might need this in different occasions where you need to have specific number of characters for specific fields for your modeling or database specifications, right? Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.